Hey everybody, it's Chuck Miller, and I'm actually here at the Empire State Plaza Convention Center this Sunday for the Great Train Expo. They have it every year around this time. So come take a walk with me and let's see what kind of railroad stuff we can find. One of the other great things at the Great Train Expo is you can actually get photographs and slides of vintage trains from back in the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, up to today. So you can see this gentleman over here is, say hi. He's going through old slides looking for, what specifically are you looking for, sir?
Anything odd.
Anything odd, okay. And I should note that one of the great things about looking for railroad slides is you always want to look, believe it or not, for Kodachrome. I'm not kidding. Kodachrome is the only thing that a train collector looks for when he's looking for slides. Off he goes. Another thing you can find at the Great Train Expo are several historic societies devoted to the history of various railroads and rail lines. That if you're going to paint up your model, you paint anything involving your boxcars or your locomotive, you want to make sure you have the right paint. And if you're going to do something involving Penn Central, you need this stuff. This is Penn Central Green, or PC Green. It's almost impossible to find. You can't match it up to any color out there. You can get it in liquid, and apparently you can also get it in a spray. Way to cheese off any model railroad collector is to have material from a railroad that actually may have destroyed a company. And I got to show you this right here, because here's the legendary Delaware and Hudson, and right next to it is Guilford. Guilford around railroad model collecting is like cursing in church. Guilford actually bought out the assets of Delaware and Hudson around 1984 or so, and then 4 years later left the entire industry to rot. Thankfully, Canadian Pacific came in, bought the D&H, and the D&H is still running today. I gotta tell you, this has been a really fun time. If you get a chance, the next time the Train Expo rolls around, you gotta come down. It's just so much fun to walk through, to see the exhibits, to see the displays, to see all of the dealers and everything. Might even get you back into model railroading.